Hi, I'm Vita Ghaffari reporting for ATV. I'm here on the green carpet for the film Mad Money.
I think Tom Cruise has arrived, and there's a big.
I'm cheering for you.
Oh, really? Thanks. Thank you very much.
Any interesting projects in the future for you?
I have a new book out right now called Your Girlfriends Only Know So Much. I'm giving women relationship advice.
Oh, I could use some finesse. I'm here in West Hollywood at the Factory for the premiere of The L Word. And anything you can reveal about your character this season, or we're just gonna have to tune in?
Ooh, baby.
Well, you look totally different. Tell us about your all these changes.
Well, I was blonde when I auditioned for the film, and then as soon as I got to South Africa, the director was like, dye it black. He's like, you got to change this. It was too bright and fluffy.
And how is it like to be in the remake of such a classic film? I know the Craven family was very involved in this, but being like a popular young member of Young Hollywood, how is it like for you to be a part of it?
Oh my God, it's such an honor.
We're here at the Key Club for a wonderful show. It's For Pieces of Ass. We're here on the pink carpet. It's a series of monologues that started off-Broadway featuring really great performances. The actresses themselves wrote their own pieces.
Well, one of my favorite dessert items is called a tres leches cake. It's a Cuban-inspired cake. It's made with 3 different milks and a sponge and some cream. It's delicious. I love the ice cream sandwiches. And also the sandwiches we've got as well. We do a great medianoche, which is like a Cuban-inspired sandwich, and some other kind of all-American favorite sandwiches, and they're all pressed.
We're wearing matching outfits that really, really big celebutants like. Would you like to tell us who?
Casey Johnson's one of our celebutants. She has the outfit like this. Paris Hilton has the actual top, and Carmen Electra has our carrier.
Wonderful. So I'm rocking it out like the Johnson & Johnson heiress and like Paris Hilton. No entertainment reporter, E.T., Access Hollywood, none of them have got the goods on me. No celebrities either, not even the A-listers. Look at these shoes, will ya? These are wonderful shoes from Strut, thanks to the lovely Parisa. I'm going to get my fashion on. I'm going to ditch my old shoes.
Oh, what fun it is to ride on a roller coaster.
Happy holidays, everybody. This is Vita Ghaffari reporting live for ATV.